Virtual reality, or VR, is like stepping into a dream world that feels super real thanks to technology. Imagine putting on special goggles that completely cover your eyes. These goggles show pictures and videos that make it look like you're somewhere else, like a jungle, a city, or even outer space. How does VR work? 1. Goggles, the magic glasses. Inside the goggles are tiny screens that show two slightly different pictures, one for each eye. This creates a 3D effect that tricks your brain into thinking you're actually in that world. 2. Sensors. The goggles have sensors that track your head movements. So if you look up, down, or turn around, the virtual world moves with you, just like in real life. 3. Controllers, your hands in VR. Many VR systems have controllers you hold in your hands. These let you interact with the virtual world. For example, you can pick up objects, swing a sword, or even draw pictures. 4. Sound. VR often comes with headphones or speakers that play realistic sounds, making the experience even more immersive. You might hear birds chirping in a forest, or the roar of a dragon in a game. Why is VR so cool? It feels real. VR makes your brain believe you're really there, even though you're not. Your senses, sight, hearing, and sometimes even touch, are all engaged. You can go anywhere. You can visit places you've never been, like ancient pyramids, the deep sea, or even Mars, all from your living room. It's interactive. Unlike just watching TV, VR lets you be part of the story. You can explore, play, or even build things in the virtual world. Where is VR used? 1. Gaming. Imagine playing a video game where you're actually inside the game. You can dodge enemies, solve puzzles, or race cars like you're really there. 2. Learning. VR can help people practice skills like flying a plane, performing surgery, or learning about history by visiting ancient places. 3. Relaxation. Some people use VR to relax by sitting on a virtual beach or exploring peaceful forests. 4. Work. Designers and architects use VR to build 3D models of buildings, and some jobs use VR to train workers in a safe, controlled way. Fun facts about VR. The idea of VR has been around since the 1960s, but it's only in recent years that technology made it possible for everyone to use. Some VR systems even include gloves or suits that let you feel things, like a virtual breeze or a handshake. VR is being used to help people with fears, like fear of heights or public speaking, by letting them practice in a safe virtual environment. So virtual reality is like putting on magic goggles that transport you to a different world. Whether you're playing games, exploring new places, or learning new things, it's an exciting way to experience the impossible, all from the comfort of your home.